Today I want to show you how I printed these book and movie covers using our Canva template. When you open the Canva template, you will see multiple pages for different sizes and styles of covers. You can find the covers by searching for them on Google, copy each one and then paste it on Canva. Keep adding covers and dragging them into each space. If there are empty spaces on your page, you can cover them so that you don't waste printer ink. One way to do it is by adding a white picture to each of them. I chose this other layout for my video game covers and music albums. If a cover doesn't fit the space correctly, you can double-click it and adjust it how you want. Since I have many empty spaces in this page, I will use a white rectangle shape to cover them. Now I can click on this button to see what pages I need to save. Click the download button and select those pages to save as a PDF for easier printing. I'm checking my PDF file to see that everything looks good, and now I'm ready to print. The easiest way to cut them is to use a ruler and a craft knife on a cutting mat, but you can also use scissors if you prefer, of course. Now you're ready to use them on your journal. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you use our template, please tag us on Instagram. We would love to see what you create with it.